Oracle creating and granting privileges to a role. First, we will try to know what is role in Oracle. A role is a name group of related privileges that can be granted to the user. Syntax: create role name. In the syntax, role name is the name of the role to be created. Now we will open SQL Plus, run as administrator. Now we will connect as sysdba. Our sysdb user connected. Now we just want to see what user is connected. Here user is sys, so connection for sys is successfully completed. Now in this query snippet we just want to create a role. Create role. Here SA is a role name. Role successfully created. Now we just want to give a grant privileges to SA role. So first I just want to add some system privileges like create session, create table, then create sequence, comma, then create view, then create procedure to role name here SA. After hitting the enter key, our grant successfully completed. So these system privileges goes to SA role. Now we just want to check the role in our database. So select role from role underscore sys privilege, just privileges prips, where role name is here role sys prips is a data dictionary. So here we can see our role SA has been created and assigned some system privileges. Now we just want to create a table and create a user like PO underscore user to not identified, actually identified by 1 2 and 3. So after hitting the enter key, our user will be created. Here we can see missing or invalid options. Identified, create user, PO user, identified is spelling mistake. So create user PO underscore user, then identified by 1 2 and 3. So here we can see another error, username PO user conflicts with another user or role name. So first we need to remove this PO user in our database, in our system. So drop user PO underscore user. If you execute this, user dropped. So now we can execute the previous statement, create user PO underscore user. and after hitting the enter key, user created. The final goal of our video or tutorial is to assign a role to a user, grant essay here role to your user, PO underscore user. After hitting the key, you can see the grant succeeded or role is assigned to PO user. Here we can see the session table sequence and procedure system privileges goes to PO user by using SA role. Now we just want to connect PO user connected. So user, here user is PO user. So here uh, I just want to see um, which role is associated to this PO user. So this is the data dictionary view. Here we can see username, granted role, and here we can see PO user, here username, and SA is a granted role.